YouTube's elder brother Google is holding the crown, but younger brother YouTube is not too far behind. It's in the second place. I mean, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. So friends, I am Shovikos from 1 Million Gadgets, and today in this video I am going to talk about 18 YouTube tips and tricks. Now we will create GIF or GIF from YouTube video. Just open any YouTube video, then head to URL section and type GIF before YouTube. Then hit enter. It will directly take you to gifs.com. Here first you have to select the part of your video you want to convert into GIF. Now you can type any caption, you can add your favorite stickers, you can crop it, blur it and do any type of customization you want. Then download the GIF and share it with your friends. We all know that we get subtitle option in YouTube videos. But have you ever tried the subtitle settings? If not, then let's try it. First click on setting icon, then move to subtitle. Inside subtitle you will find auto translate. In auto translate you will get most of the languages spoken around the world. From here you can select your regional language and enjoy subtitle in mother tongue. Not only that, in subtitle option you can change font color, font size, font style, opacity and you can do many more customization with subtitle font. We get an option for subtitles or closed captions, I mean CC, in any YouTube videos. But in some YouTube videos CC is disabled. Not in all videos, in some cases. An example, this video from NCS don't have any option for CC. That means you cannot check lyrics for this song. But wait, I have a solution. Install Music Match Lyrics for YouTube. I mean, this is an extension for Chrome. If you install this extension, you can check subtitle in any video. I mean in any YouTube video. If you want to save useful videos of YouTube and watch it later, then just click on add-on icon. Then you will find the option watch later. Just mark the option, your particular video will be saved in watch later list. From there you can play your saved videos whenever you want. And no need to worry, here you can save multiple videos. We get repeat option in music player. But if we love any video on YouTube, YouTube doesn't provide any repeat option to play the video repeatedly. But wait, YouTube do provide us the option. We just overlook the option. Just right click on your video and select the loop option. Now your video will play repeatedly. There is another way to repeat YouTube videos. Just type repeat after YouTube in URL section. And it will directly take you to listen on repeat page. Here you can do many things. You can play YouTube videos repeatedly, you can create playlist, you can also create a section for your most loved videos, and you can do many things. Now comes YouTube speed control. Here if you click on setting wheel, you can see an option speed. Inside speed, you can speed up and slow down your current watching video. Here numbers above normal will slow down your video and numbers below normal will speed up. From now you can play YouTube video in floating window on your PC. For this you have to install Floating for YouTube app in Chrome. Now open YouTube, play a video, then open the Floating for YouTube app from Chrome and copy paste the video link in the app. That's it, you can now watch YouTube video on floating window and do any other task you want. When you share an YouTube video link on Facebook, the link is barely visible cause the thumbnail gets very small. As the link is not attractive, so it cannot attract audience and you will not get much views from Facebook. But there is a way to create large thumbnail. Just copy the YouTube video link, then paste it in create large thumbnail for Facebook website. And this is a website to create large thumbnail for YouTube videos in Facebook. This website mainly auto-generate the YouTube video link and create large thumbnail for Facebook. Now just simply copy the updated URL and again post it on Facebook. Now fill the difference and get more views from Facebook. Now I'll show you how to download YouTube video, how to play YouTube video in background and how to play on float screen, and that all on your smartphone. For this you have to install micro G for YouTube, then install OG YouTube app. In OG YouTube app you can download YouTube videos, but sometimes it shows error during downloading, so I'll not suggest this app for downloading. Watch the video, you will get some more updates how you can download YouTube video. But in this app you can play YouTube video in background, even in floating window. This app looks similar and everything is similar like your default YouTube app, but here you get some extra advantages. YouTube basically don't give us option to download YouTube videos. It only gives an option to save YouTube videos in offline. But in Vidmate app you can download YouTube videos in your phone memory or in SD card. First open any video on YouTube, then share it to Vidmate. Then select the resolution and download it, and the video will directly save in your phone memory. To download YouTube videos you don't need to open YouTube app separately, cause inside Vidmate you will get a separate option for YouTube. And not only that, Vidmate allows us to download any music video as MP3. That means you can search your favorite music video in YouTube and you can download it as MP3. So here comes YouTube's all new feature, YouTube Dark Theme. To active this, go to youtube.com, then click on three dotted icon and from there select Dark Theme. Just enable it and that's it. Your whole YouTube will become dark. You can do the same thing in your YouTube mobile app also. For this install micro G for YouTube, then install YouTube Pitch Black. After that you will get a dedicated YouTube Dark Theme app in your mobile. Now type www.youtube.com/leanback and search for it. Here you will get a brand new look of YouTube. When you open YouTube in smart TVs, usually we get this type of look. You can also get this similar look by typing www.youtube.com/tv also. You'll get the same look. Here each and every YouTube videos are organized by its category. Here you will get recommended, trending, music, comedy, entertainment, news, sports, technology and many more. We can check lyrics of any song played on YouTube by switching on the CC or subtitle option. But can we copy those lyrics? Of course we can. For this, click on three dotted icon below the played video, then click on Open Transcript. On the right hand side of the video, you will get all lyrics of the song as transcript. And if you click on any particular sentence, it will directly take you to the certain part of the video. Peggo is a site from where you can download YouTube videos as MP3. Just you have to share the YouTube video link over here, then you will get a record MP3 option. We can do the same thing in Vidmate, but here we get extra option to choose audio bitrate. So that's the advantage over here. And we can also download YouTube videos from here. Vidmate is mainly for smartphone and this site will help you to download YouTube videos in PC. Okay, now let's check some keyboard shortcuts for YouTube. First check the alphabet section. With the help of K you can pause and play the video, and you can do the same thing with spacebar also. With the help of J, you can rewind your video 10 seconds back, and with the help of L, you can fast forward your video by 10 seconds. And you can easily mute and unmute your video with the help of M. Now let's move to the number section. If you press number 0, your video will start from the beginning. And if you press number 1 to number 9, you can jump to 10% to 90% of the video. That means if you press number 3, you can jump to 30%, or if you press number 6, you can jump to 60%. Even you can resize your subtitle or caption. If you press the minus button, your caption font will become smaller, and if you press the plus button, your captions font will become larger. Now this is for YouTube creators. Go to Creator Studio, then scroll down, you'll find the option YouTube Studio Beta. This is all new section for YouTube creators. Here everything is highlighted clearly and well optimized. You'll not find anything complicated, it's very simple. As it is on beta mode, so some features are missing right now, but in future you'll get everything. I personally like the minimal design of this Creator Studio cause everything is highlighted clearly, nothing messed up, and in future I'll make it as my default Creator Studio. We can share YouTube video link anywhere, but if you want to share a certain part of a video, then you can do that. For that you need to follow these steps. Just pause the video at the time you want to share. Then right click on the video, you'll get an option copy video URL at current time. Now just copy the URL and share the certain part of your YouTube video. You can do the same thing in another way. Just click on share icon, then mark the start at option. Now you can add particular timestamp with YouTube video URL. Just copy the URL and share the certain part of your YouTube video. Now let's check Nova Launcher shortcut for YouTube. First set Nova Launcher as your default launcher. Then tap and hold the YouTube app. You will get 3 direct shortcuts: trending, subscription and search. And with the help of this shortcut you can directly move to those sections of YouTube. Just tap on search, it will directly open the search tab. Now search your favorite YouTube channel 1 million gadgets. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if this video is really helpful for you, then put a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if there is any mistake, do comment down in the comment section. And another thing, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. So tata friends, bye bye, have a nice day.